Hey there, it's your girl Sara and I'm so glad you found this video. Today I'm sharing something juicy, literally. We're making a watermelon energy drink that might wake up more than just your body. So, the guy at the market said this watermelon is perfectly ripe. What do you think? Did he tell the truth or did I get scammed? Either way, let's dive in. Grab a big juicy slice and cut off that green skin. We only want the sweet red goodness inside. Here's a little secret. Watermelon isn't just delicious, it's packed with benefits for men's health. Rich in L-citrulline, an amino acid that boosts nitric oxide and improves blood flow, supports erectile function and arousal by enhancing circulation. Over 90% water, so it hydrates, supports kidney health and aids detox. Loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects the prostate and heart, helps reduce muscle soreness and speeds up recovery. And yes, it's even been called nature's Viagra for a reason. Liking this so far? Then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, it means the world to me. And don't worry, I won't spam your inbox with anything weird. Now take a small piece of ginger root and peel it gently, spicy and ready just how we like it. Want to know how ginger can really spice up your health? May boost testosterone by stimulating hormone production. Fights fatigue and improves stamina. Strong antioxidant, protects the testes and prostate, supports heart health, lowering blood pressure and cholesterol. Next, grab half a lemon and squeeze out that juice, all of it. You already know how good lemon is. I mean, you're a smart guy, right? Now here's a secret weapon. Add a pinch of black pepper directly into the watermelon mix. Why? 'Cause it boosts nutrient absorption by over 300%. Crazy, right? Now drop in 1 spoon of chia seeds. Don't underestimate these tiny guys. They're loaded with fiber, omega-3s, and natural energy. How's my voice so far? Let me know in the comments, I read them all. Next up, take a banana, peel it slowly. And for the finishing touch, just a little drizzle of honey, sweet, smooth, and full of goodness. Just like me. Now blend it all together until it's creamy and smooth, just like your favorite smoothie. And then, go ahead, take a sip. This isn't just a drink, it's a boost for your energy, performance, and vibe.